Today I am here to report about the nanotechnology principles and applications. Nanotechnology is the science of working with materials at a very small scale of 1 to 100 nanometers. At this size, materials can behave differently from normal, showing unique strength, reactivity, or the other properties. Scientists use nanotechnology to make new materials, tiny devices, and improve medicines, electronics, energy, and other fields. It is all about controlling matter at the smallest level to create useful tools and products. The importance of nanotechnology lies in its ability to improve many aspects of life by using materials and devices at a very small scale. It helps make stronger and lighter materials, faster and smaller electronics, and more effective medicines. It is also improved energy solution like efficient solar cells and batteries, and can help in environmental protection through better water purification and pollution control. Overall, it allows innovation that were not possible with larger scale materials. At the nanoscale, materials behave differently because of quantum effects become important. They have a larger surface area compared to the volume, making them more reactive and stronger. Scientists can control their structure at the atomic level to change properties. For example, the gold nanoparticles can change color due to these effects. Nanotechnology uses special tools to see and manipulate materials at the nanoscale. First is the scanning tunneling microscope, which lets scientists view individual atoms. Second is the atomic force microscope. It measures tiny surfaces. Electron microscope. It provides very detailed image. And last is the nanolithography. It is used to create patterns in the materials at the nanoscale. Nanomaterials are materials made at the nanoscale, such as nanotubes, nanoparticles, nanowires, quantum dots, and graphene. They have special properties like high strength, good electroconductivity, and increased reactivity. For example, like carbon nanotubes are stronger than steel but much lighter. In the medicine, nanotechnology helps improve treatment and diagnosis. Nanoparticles can deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, and nanobiosensors can detect disease early, and last the nanofibers are used in the tissue engineering to create artificial organs. Nanotechnology is used in many areas beyond medicine, such as electronics. It helps make smaller and faster transistors, and in energy, it improves solar cells and batteries. For the environment, it helps purify water and detect pollution. Last is in the agriculture. It is used for nanofertilizer and pest control. And last, nanotechnology faces challenges like safety, toxicity, and ethical or regulatory issues. In the future, it may lead to smart materials such as nanorobots and environmentally friendly technologies. Overall, the nanotechnology has a great potential to transform industries and improve lives. Thank you.